I love getting packages for just any old reason. Any reason whatsoever, especially when it's not my birthday or it's not Christmas or it's not some just random package. So I got a random package yesterday. Not so random, but it's from there you go. Gemini Sunshine. I especially love getting random packages from cool black people that make things. And she's a cool black person that makes things. This is Gemini Sunshine. This is what she does. So she makes these handmade, crocheted, not just crochet, she's also a digital artist. She does t-shirts and it's, let me tell you what her saying is. Hold on. I got earrings. I got earrings. Baby, you know how I love my big earrings. Okay. Gemini Sunshine, original rasta hippie kind of art. She's on Etsy, by the way. She does pencil drawings, crochet earrings, rings, hats. GeminiSunshine.etsy.com. Check her out. There she is. The beautiful black woman that makes things. And today we're going to try her things. Okay. The moment I've been waiting for. So first let's try the earrings, okay? Camo. I love camo. Yeah. Okay, and your earrings have the little stopper on the end, so let's pull that out. And there we go. These will be my earrings for today. Honey, they're light? Wait a minute, why are they so light? It's not bendable, but that's the crochet in it. Very light. Okay, so let's, I've got a couple of holes in my ear. One is like messed up. This one is messed up because it's split, but I got a hole above that. So let's go above that. Ooh. Gemini Sunshine, girl. They're so light. And no space in the crochet. Look how tightly knit that is. Right? No holes. Just tight. And she's also got some like these that are crocheted all through. I look good. But that's not all. She also makes caps and bucket hats and all kinds of stuff. And it's really, it's camo too, right? Yeah, but look how funky. Kind of a 70s vibe to it. Yeah. Let's try it. Okay. Breathable up top. Down here. Nice. Let's see how it fits my head. Ma'am. Ma'am. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can smell it down. You can raise it up. You can shape it into like a little bucket. Gemini Sunshine. Y'all better get your gifts. You better get your Christmas gifts from Gemini Sunshine on Etsy. I would never get this for myself. I'm not going to say never, because I love handmade beautiful things by beautiful black people. But this isn't something that I would just pick for myself, you know? Okay. This is cute. Oh my. Okay, if I want to cover my ears when I go out to the mailbox today to look for another random gift. Oh, baby. What? What'd you say? Huh? I can't see you. I'm camouflaged. Child. This is adorable. This is so freaking cute. You better get yours from Gemini Sunshine. Ooh, I can't wait to shop her shop and find more things. This is beautiful. See her tees. There's one of her rasta caps, earrings, her drawings. This like your whole vibe. You just look like a vibe. Girl, pardon me, I'm talking to myself right now, child. You look like a vibe. You look like people want to hang around you. Like, oh my gosh, she's so cool. She's so cool. And you can't see her. You can't see her because she camouflaged. Oh my gosh. Earring. Baby. I'll be back, girl. I'll be back. Gemini Sunshine. You ain't got your Christmas gifts yet, but you know somebody who loves beautiful handmade art by beautiful black people? Go see her. Visit her page, Gemini Sunshine, on Etsy.